Yesterday we have actually taken some fact table and some dimension table, right? Today we will apply some DAX functions on them. Okay, so see, let us go to, this is report view in which we are. This is data view and this is model view. Okay, so in report view, in data view, see if you want to add a column, right? There is an option called new column and you can apply some conditions over it, right? So I'm going to use it new column. Okay. So you can see over here, it has appeared, right? So right now, if I want to get a column in which a person who is a homeowner is actually single. Okay. First of all, let us discuss about this particular table, then only it will be clear for you. So here you can see, first comes the customer key. Okay, this is the customer key corresponding to the name of the customer. This is prefix. This is the first name, last name, and rest of the things. Okay, like marital, what is the date of birth of that person, and what is the marital status. Well, if he or she is married, then M, otherwise S. S for single. Okay, so now regarding gender, male or female or not applicable. Okay. Then regarding email address, these many people, I mean, whatever email address are there corresponding to different people, it is given over here. Okay. So here you can see, right? And regarding annual income, what are their corresponding annual income? How many number of children they have? Okay. And what is their education level? Right? And what are their occupations? Okay, and whether they are having a home or not, whether they are homeowner or not. Okay, no and yes. So if we want to make a column in which actually which corresponds to a condition, like we want to make a conditional column such that the person who is single is having an occupation of is or the person who is single is a homeowner. Any condition we can take. Okay, the person who is single, that means marital status is equal to S and homeowner is equal to Y. So whichever people is satisfying this condition, corresponding to that, a column should appear in which no and yes will be there corresponding to it. Okay, we have to make a conditional column. So first of all, let's take the new column. Okay. Right. Now here, what I'm going to do is I will write the column name first. So I will write like home single. Okay. Home underscore single, that is the name of the column that I'm specifying, is equal to, then I will put the condition. I will use if condition. Okay. If, and within if, I will write first condition. Our first condition was that marital status is equal to S, right? So M marital, when I'm writing MA, then this particular thing is popping up, right? So I have to simply select it. Okay. D customer is the name of the table and marital status is the name of the column. So I have to mention like is equal to, within double quotes, I have to mention. Oh, sorry. So here I have to mention error will come because they are taking this function is complete like that. When I will complete the function, this whole thing will disappear and corresponding things will appear. Okay. Right now, what you have to do, D customer is marital status is equal to what should come. We are taking the people who are single, right? So their S, capital S should come. Okay. Sorry. Capital S should come. That is one condition. And we have to write the next condition. But before that, we need to put the AND operator. And operator in this kind of conditional statement is double ampersand. Okay, this is the AND condition. Okay, and then I have to write the next condition, that is homeowner, right? So simply write HO, then corresponding thing will pop up. You have to choose the required one. Okay, then is equal to, within double quotes, you have to write like homeowner Y. Yes, capital Y. Okay. When these two conditions are satisfied, then there should come a string yes. Okay. And if the two conditions are not satisfied, then there should appear no. Okay. So this is the complete statement. If then first condition, you can put more conditions also. Okay. Not only two conditions, you can put multiple conditions like this. First condition, double ampersand. Second condition. Okay. Then yes, no. Okay. If these two conditions are satisfied, then yes should come. Otherwise, no should come. All right. So here I will press enter. Now you can see corresponding things have appeared, error have gone, right? So if the person is single and he is a homeowner, here corresponding to homeowner, capital N is coming. That means he or she is not a homeowner. So that's why no is coming. But when in place of it, I am putting or, this no will become yes, because at least one condition is satisfied. And for or condition, we have to put double pipe. Double pipe is the symbol that you can find above enter key in your keyboard. Okay. So when I press enter, you can see the change. It became yes, because at least one condition, that is marital status is equal to S, is satisfied, although homeowner is equal to N. At least this condition is satisfied. That's why yes is coming over here. Okay. So this is what if condition is. We can check regarding AND condition whether some yes are there or not. Yeah, here you can see yes. Okay, see here yes is there. Okay, because the person is single and he or she is having home also. They are homeowners. So that's why yes is coming. And here also similarly corresponding to homeowner Y and corresponding to marital status yes. Okay, here what is happening? Marital status is equal to M and homeowner, they are homeowners, but they are married. So that's why no is coming, because this condition is satisfied, but this condition is not satisfied. So whenever you are putting and, this two condition must be satisfied, then only first thing, that is yes, will come. Otherwise, no will appear. Okay. And if any one of them are satisfied, then also no will appear. Okay. So both of them should be satisfied. When you're putting or in place of it, either one statement should be satisfied. Then yes will come. Okay. Now you can see the person is single and he or she is not having home. Then also yes, because at least this condition is satisfied now. That's why. And here you can see the person is single and both conditions are satisfied. That's why yes. And the person is married. Okay. And he or she is having home. So at least this condition is satisfied. That's why yes. So in case of this or, when we are applying or in if condition, at least one condition should be satisfied. Then corresponding output will come as yes. Is it clear to all of you? You can put multiple statement also, like you can put one more or, and you can write some another statement like occupation. Occupation is equal to professional, we can take. Sorry. Okay. Then either you should mark this tick mark, or you should click this tick mark, or you should press enter after the after writing whole code. Okay. Anything you can do. Corresponding change will reflect over here. Is it clear to all of you? Is it clear, everyone?
Yeah, it's clear, ma'am.
Yeah, okay. So this is what is if statement. Similarly, switch statement is there. Earlier, we in yesterday, we actually tried to make some model using that category, right? But there was some issue. We can actually clear out that thing with the help of switch statement. Okay. Wait a second. There is some noise. I will close the door. Yes, okay. So guys, we will move on to switch condition. Okay. So earlier what we did was regarding this particular statement that, I mean this particular table, that category key is there, 111. And actually this 11 means what? Bikes. And 2 means components, 3 means clothing, accessories corresponds to 4 number. Okay, so whenever I mean corresponding to this mountain bikes, road bikes and touring bikes, category key was 1. That means they all belongs to category bikes. Okay. Sorry. And next was components. Okay, that is 2. We are not having a column which is which shows us the category, right? My voice is clear, everyone?
Yeah, it's clear, ma'am.
Yeah. Okay. So we are not having the things like, I mean, uh, corresponding to this one, we are not having bikes, although it is mentioned over here. Okay. So if we want it over here, so we can make a new table, and with the help of switch statement, we can create a new, we can make a new column with the help of switch statement. Okay. So go to new column. Okay. And here you can write category itself. Okay. Category is equal to those who have not attended yesterday's class. I just want to tell you what this category and other things mean. See, if we are having our, this is our YoShop's, this is our YoShop's website. Okay, these are some category in our website, like toys, mobiles, laptops, accessories, electronics items, like that. And within toys and games, PlayStation, drones, RC toys, soft toys, gaming accessories, these things are coming. In mobiles also, corresponding things are coming. Laptops, you can see. So similarly, this is another company. It is a two-wheeler company. Here, categories are bikes, components, clothings and accessories, and corresponding subcategory items are mountain bikes, road bikes, touring bikes for bike category, and handlebars, bottom brackets, brakes, chains, stuff like that in case of components. And in case of clothings, these caps, gloves, jerseys, these things are coming. Is it clear to all of you what I'm trying to say? Here we are not
Yeah,
having only the key of the category. We are not having the name of the category. If we want name of the category, then we can do it with the help of switch statement. Okay. So I'm going to write switch. When I'm writing SW, then itself that particular function is coming. I can choose this one. And within that, I have to write first which column is the deciding factor. All of you, please tell me which column is the deciding factor corresponding to category name.
the product category key.
Product
Product
category
category
key.
key. Correct. So that is our, deciding column, right? So we will write product. When we will write we will write PRO, then whatever correspond to PRO is there, it will come. Then we can simply choose this product category key, right? No need to write the entire stuff. Okay. So this is our deciding factor. Now what we have to do is we have to write the, whatever options are there, like 1, 2, 3. We have to write, and corresponding to that, whatever things should come, that also we need to write. Okay. So comma 1. What is meant by 1 over here? What should come in category in place of 1? All of you?
Bike.
Bikes.
Bikes, correct. So write bikes. Okay. Then in place of 2, what should come? Components, right?
Components.
Okay. Now in place of 3, what should come?
Toys.
You can see from hint is over
Clothing.
clothings, correct. Caps, gloves and all. Okay. So clothings. Okay. And then you can write like 4, comma, accessories. Then close the bracket. Okay. Right now I will write here. Okay. So it is done. Now we can mark this tick mark. Okay. Now let us see what will come. Corresponding to 1, bikes are coming. Corresponding to 2, components are there. Corresponding to 3, clothings, and corresponding to 4, accessories. Is it clear to all of you how to use switch statement?
Yes, clear, ma'am.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah, okay. So this is regarding switch, and now let us use some other functions also. Like uh, this is our customer table. Okay. So here, see, knowing the, having the information of your customer will boost your business, right? Isn't it? Whatever information you are having regarding your customer, it will make you, it will help you to introduce new products, or whatever things will actually increase your sale, that things it will help you, right? If majority of your customers are, children, then you will try to increase the production of toys and some gadgets that they like, isn't it? Clear? Majority of
Yeah.
customers are very small children, then we will accordingly we will try to introduce those kind of products in our company, or we will try to increase the production of those things, right? But in place of that, if majority of customers are very old, right, then we won't do like that thing, right? we won't be increasing the production of toys. We will be trying to introduce some products or increase the production of some items which will help them or which they require, isn't it? Right?
Yeah, okay.
Age is an important factor. I mean, customers' age is an important factor. It actually tells us their interest also, because depending upon their age, their interest may change. Right? So here in this customers table, we are having birth date of the customer. Okay. So using the birth date, we can extract the column. We can find the column of age also. Okay. We can make a new column in which the age of customer is being shown. Okay. So for that, we are going to make a new column. Okay. So new column, take new column from here. Okay, first of all, we need to know current date, right? So we will be taking I will be writing CU, simply CU, okay? And today. Today is a function with the help of which you can uh, find today's date, okay? So when you will simply write today, you can see 19 November 2022. It's coming. It's current date, right? Okay. So right now, if you want to actually, from here, you can change the format also. Okay. Like short date, whatever you want, you can do required changes. Now, that time is not coming. Okay. So from here, you can format the data type of it. Okay. Right now, it is simply looking like almost like this. Okay. If you want to change the format, you can do the same thing. Like many options are there. Okay. Corresponding to that, you can make changes. Okay. So this is our current date. Now, if we want to extract the year from it, and if we are able to extract the year of this dates, then on subtracting those 2 years, we can approximate the age of the person, right? So what I'm going to do, I'm doing, I mean, within the single column itself, we can find the age, but I'm making new columns so that step by step you are able to understand that what is happening. So now I'm going to extract year out of this date. Okay. So for that, I will write like current year. Okay. Current year is equal to, now I will write year. Okay. Year. Then within that, I will write today. Okay. Today has appeared. Then closed. Then just either press enter or mark this tick mark. Then it will appear 2022, right? Now, please mute your audio. Ibrahim? Yeah, thank you. Okay. So now you're having current year, but you need to know the birth year of your customers, right? So the same way you can do it. Simply use the year function for this column. Then you will get it. Okay. So I'm making a new column. Everything you can do within the single column by putting all things. Okay, that also we will do. So now I will write birth year. Okay. And here we can write like year. Year is that function. And within that, we will mention the column name. Okay. The column name was birth date, right? This is the table name. And this is the column name. Okay. Then press enter. Okay. Now what is coming? The birth year of the customers are being shown. And when you will subtract these two columns, you can get their age, right? So make a new column. I will write age is equal to I will subtract those two columns. That's it. This current year column and this birth year column. Okay. So current year minus birth year. That's it. Then press enter. Okay. What was the... Wait a second, there is some issue.
Birth year is birth year with miniscope.
Birth year. Okay.
It's coming here.
Yeah, now it is okay. There was some issue. Okay. So now you can see the age of customers are being mentioned, right? You can see the entire thing. And if you want to check the unique entities within it, just click over there. Okay, so these are some unique entities. So majority of them are very old, right? So this helps you to actually understand that which I mean people from which age group are there and which products we should actually introduce in the company or which we should increase in say production like that. The entire thing you can make within one column also, like in new column. Okay. You can write like year. The same thing within one statement you can write. Today. Okay. Minus then year. Per date. Okay. First. Oh, it is already used. So we can write like age of customers. Okay. Now. The same output we are getting. So, I mean, within the single statement itself, you can get it. Is it clear to all of you?
Yes.
Okay. So, let us, I mean, use some other functions like there is a function called left.
Hello. So
Yes. Yes. Any doubts?
yeah, I have a question about the case of the value we write.
Case of,
Because right now you write age in minuscule and
yeah.
in
Actually,
I think
it is not
it is
case
sensitive.
sensitive. It is
Yeah.
not case sensitive. So we should, I mean, SQL, Power BI, they are not case sensitive.
Okay. Okay. Thank you.
So here, actually, when I tried with small a, that time it was showing like, I mean, it is already taken. So that means it is not a case sensitive. Python is case sensitive. In case of Python, capital A and small a, they two are totally different. But in SQL and
Okay.
Power BI, they are case
Mhm.
insensitive.
Okay. Okay.
Okay,
Thank you.
welcome. Okay, so right now I'm going to squeeze the, I mean, some long words like professional, you can see. Okay, professional is a somewhat a long word. Okay, so if I want to make it short, so so that I'm going to extract only first five letters like that. Okay, PROF. That is that clearly shows that it is I mean it means professor. Professional, right? So I mean sometimes it may create an issue, but see, in case of January, February, March, like that, in case of months, we usually use this short things like, wait, I will explain you. Okay, in case of January, we can write Jan, isn't it? In case of February, we can write like Feb, isn't it? That is understood universally, right?
Yeah.
Like this, in case of some words, we can actually squeeze them, and we can take first three letters, four letter, like that. It is understood by everyone. If somehow in your data set such kind of columns are there which are very long, and if you want to actually shorten them by extracting first few letters, so in that case we can use left function. Okay, here this kind of months are not there. Okay, so here occupation column is there, and first I am taking this PROF from this particular column if I want so. So what I have to do is I will go to new column. Okay. Then here I will write left. First of all, I should mention the column name. So I will, in case of occupation, I will simply write OCC. Okay, then equal to, then I have to write left function. Okay, so it is appearing. When I'm writing LE, then itself it appeared. Okay, left. So within that, I have to mention the column name. Okay, what was the column name? Occupation, right? So I will write occupation. OCC. Okay, it came. Now, how many letters that I want to extract? That I have to write after comma. Like 4 if I want, 4 letters I want, then write 4 and press enter. Okay, now it is appearing like prof. Okay, here the entities were clerical, management, manual, professional, skill, manual. And here what is coming? Only 4 letters of them are coming. Okay, so this is how we can shorten elements within a column. Okay, so the same thing we can apply, but with little change. That is the email address. You can see they are having different user ID names, right? The thing that comes before it is considered as user ID, for suppose. Okay, this is the name of the, I mean, this after it, whatever thing is there, it corresponds to the company mail ID. Okay, the starting thing is username. If you want to extract it, you have to put an extra search function within it. Okay, so if I want to extract this starting things, they are all different in number, right? In some cases it is 6 in number, in some cases it is 7 in number, like that. Okay, so we can't put a simple integer over there. We need to put a search statement also. So for that, what I have to do, the same left function. Okay, I will write like user ID is equal to okay, so here I will write user ID is equal to left. Okay, guys, the meeting is going to close. You all please join once again. Okay, this we will discuss after after rejoining. So all of you please rejoin once again because it is going to end.